Fifth, legendary Hollywood mother and their famous son, then versus now. Nicole Kidman and Conor Krause. Madonna and David Banda. Angelina Jolie and Maddox Jolie Pate. Debbie Reynolds and Todd Fisher. Sofia Coppola and Cosimo. Goldie Hawn and Matt Russell. Salma Hayek and Aston James Penlot. Andy McDowell and Justin Twelly. Victoria Beckham and Brooklyn Beckham. Rebecca De Mornay and Jack Robbins. Cher and Elijah Blue Allman. Michelle Pfeiffer and Chris Hemsworth. Helena Bonham Carter and Billy Raymond Burton. Victoria Beckham and Romeo Beckham. Heidi Klum and Henry Gunther Samuel. Kris Jenner and Rob Kardashian. Catherine Zeta-Jones and Dylan Douglas. Goldie Hawn and Oliver Hudson. Marcia Gay and Hudson Harden. Angelina Jolie and Pax Jolie Pate. Madonna and Rocco Ritchie. Sydney Weaver and Charlie Sampson. Sharon Stone and Ron Joseph. Danny Keaton and Dexter Keaton. Sarah Jessica Parker and James Welke. Reese Witherspoon and Deacon Phelps. Pamela Anderson and Dylan Jagger. Candy Crawford and Presley Garber. Vanessa Paradis and Jack Depp. Whoopi Goldberg and Alex Martin. Kate Hudson and Malcolm Bellamy. Helen Bonham and Ellie Christopher Washington. Megan and Jack Quaid. Pamela Anderson and Brandon Thomas Lee. Julia Roberts and Henry Daniel Moder. Michelle Pfeiffer and John Henry Kelly. Anita Bingham and Stephen R. Beatty. Naomi Watts and Samuel K. Gwyneth Paltrow and Moses Martin, Kate Hudson and Ryder Robinson, Susan Downey and Indio Falconer Downey, Uma Thurman and Liv von Hoek, Naomi Watts and Alexander Serha, Jada Pinkett Smith and Jaden Smith, Lizzie Witherspoon and Tennessee Todd, Melanie Griffith and Alexander, Tilda Swinton and Byron Luraden and Larry Harper, Lisa Bonet and Nakua Wolf Mamua, Anya Thave and Jonathan